Good morning, children. Welcome back to the social session of Formative Assessment 2 Revision, children. Yesterday we have seen some of the answers to the questions like Sukhe Kul and in what ways the Jamindars were the intermediaries in the Mughal administration, how they are important in the Mughal administration. And before that also we have seen about the art and architecture of Qutub Shahis and other important rulers like Vijayanagara, Sri Krishna Deva Raya, why he is a fearful king. Today, let us see answer to this question: in what ways did people revolt against the British in 1857? What are the ways? In what ways the people have revolted against the Britishers? So for this, answer should be written like this. Okay, I am giving you the answer. The revolt of 1857 spread to each corner and each village of Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. The revolt of 1857 spread to each corner and each village of Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. The second point can be the peasants and jamindars. The peasants and jamindars, please make a note down of this answer, took up arms together and made the English and their officers on the run. That means chased. चेस करे थे उन लोग, मार डाले थे बहुत सारे लोग. So that was the second. And third point can be they stopped paying taxes. Paying taxes to the British government. And fourth point can be they tore up railway lines. Burned down police stations. Courts, posts and telegraph offices, and uprooted telegraph wires. And last point can be the rebels looted the houses and burnt the documents of moneylenders. So this is how answer can be written to the question: in what ways did people revolt against British in 1857? And you need to write down answer on your own for the question. What did the people who revolted in 1857 want to achieve? What did the people who revolted in 1857 wanted to achieve? That means what did they achieve by revolting against the British is the question. So you need to write down answer on that for that. But this is the answer for in what ways did people revolt against the British in 1857. So in point of formative assessment 2 revision children, do not forget to revise these 3 units of Vijayanagara Empire, the Mughal Empire and the establishment of British Empire. So we have seen a series of activities. Children, do you remember about the Qutub Shahi art and architecture previously? And we also have learnt about the Jamindari system in our previous class. We tried to give answer for that. Why these Jamindars are considered as important in the Mughal administration also we have seen in yesterday's class. And apart from that, tell me, who was the person who tried to attack the resident in Hyderabad, which is the present women's college in Koti? The person who attacked them was the British resident. Do you remember who is he? Rustum Dil Khan. Was it Rustum Dil Khan? No, it's not Rustum Dil Khan. Sardar Sarvai Papanna? No, it was not Sardar Sarvai Papanna. Then who it was? So find out answers from the textbook, children. Read the textbook for these kind of questions, children, which will be asked from the middle of the text. Have you got the answer? It is Turrebas Khan. Turrebas Khan is the rebel who attacked the British resident, which is the women's college in Koti today, present. And we also try to understand about the Vijayanagara Empire, one of the most fearful king, Sri Krishna Deva Raya. He composed one poetic work called as Amukta Malyada. Amukta Malyada is a poetic work which is composed by him. So such kind of questions may appear, children. Please be prepared for FA2. Thank you, children.